KU.BDC Business Certificate Program is an 8-week business training focused on minority-owned and women-owned companies. So the program is designed to provide tools, training, educational opportunities to minority-owned and women-owned business owners. The classes are offered right now in Seattle, in Tacoma, in Everett, and also in Eastern Washington.
It helped to gain a perspective of what is actually out there to run a business. It's not strictly all hands-on, and it's all also strictly not just sitting behind a desk.
I found the program extremely helpful. I have both a law degree and an MBA, and yet I still took the program because I felt like it gave me the additional skills I needed to not only run my own business, but to give advice to my other clients.
What we do is we have classes every week for 3 hours in different business topics such as accounting, management, sales, topics on labor and industries, Department of Revenue, and we have a panel of successful entrepreneurs, and also we have legal topics of business. So for each of these classes we invite guest speakers and professors from the University of Washington Foster School of Business to teach these classes.
The greatest factor of the whole process of the certificate program is the networking. The ability to meet other businesses, both startups as well as established businesses, where you can learn information and get feedback directly from sources. And that's been a real strong point of the certificate program.
We're incredibly grateful for the partnerships that we have both with South Seattle Community College, allowing us to host the certificate program there, and most especially to J.P. Morgan Chase, who are underwriting the costs of the curriculum development as well as the curriculum delivery.